This is our electronic portable heater. It's a fan heater, and it may look small, but it packs a powerful punch. There's 1,500 watts powering this heater, and it has two settings. It has a fan-only setting, so I can turn this on and crank up the dial and watch that fan kick in, which will be nice. But then I can also turn on the heat setting here, which will allow that fan to start pumping out heat. Now this can pump out heat and warm up an area about 150 square feet, and it does so with a 25-degree tilt capability here in the head. Now wherever you put this, you don't have to worry about leaving black streaks on the floor because it does have non-marring floor guides on here, which come in handy. It's very safe. It has overheat protection, so if it gets too hot, it will automatically shut off. And when it does shut off, it has an auto reset feature that clears everything in the system and lets it start over from scratch. It has an ETL certification, and it's backed by a 1-year limited warranty. So remember, if you're cold and you're trying to stay warm, keep this in mind. 40 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 108 degrees Fahrenheit, this puppy can heat it up. It's a great little tool, and it's electric. You plug it into the wall and off it goes. Pick yours up today. Thank you for watching the video. We'll see you next time.